You're walking on a lonely path or on the street, and all of a sudden, there came surrounding you some men-looking guys with dangerous weapons trying to attack you. What are you going to do? And there's no means of escape. Are you going to wait, let them attack you, or you're going to look around for a weapon to defend yourself? Or you are in an argument with somebody and he launched some fists, some blows to you. What are you going to do? Are you going to defend yourself, or are you going to allow yourself to be injured? Today we'll be discussing self-defense. What is self-defense? What is self-defense under the law? What is reasonable force to be used in self-defense? And what the law says about self-defense. So follow me, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then drop your comments in the comment section as we go on to the other side to discuss self-defense. Hi, welcome back. My name is A.I. Ango. I'm a legal practitioner, a notary public, and a chartered arbitrator. Like we earlier said, we'll be discussing self-defense. What is self-defense in law? Self-defense is the defense when one protects himself from imminent attack from an assailant. That is to say, where there is a threat or where there is an assault on your person by another person to injure you, to damage your property, or even to kill you. When you protect yourself, when you defend yourself from that imminent attack, it is called self-defense. And in law, it is a whole law. It is a whole protection. It is a whole defense. It's a holistic defense against any attack on you. So it is being said, self-defense covers you from any allegation of committing any crime, or even if it means death, you are protected if it is proven that it was done in self-defense. Where Mr. A tries to attack Mr. B, and Mr. B, by impulsive reaction, defended himself, used another weapon to counter the attack being meted on him by Mr. A. And in the event Mr. A lost his life, if he's able to prove that it was done in self-defense, he is completely protected from the punishment of murder or manslaughter. Now, in proving self-defense, what are you going to do? There are three key components, things that you must prove to a court that it was done in self-defense. One, there must be an imminent danger. Two, there must be a proportional force to repel the force attacking you. And three, there must be no intention of earlier preparation to attack. What are we saying? We are saying when you are attacked, when somebody attacks another person, the person being attacked or the victim, if he's able to react impulsively at that moment, then whatever he does is taken to be self-defense. It is not afterward that he is to come back and attack the person. For example, where Mr. A attacked Mr. B, and Mr. B had to go back home, prepare, and another day come back again to attack Mr. A. That Mr. A has attacked him, so he's doing that in self-defense. That's not self-defense. It must be impulsive. It must be at the spot of the moment. Where also the second ingredient is the proportionate force. If the attack, if the assailant comes, for example, with a stick to attack Mr. B, and Mr. B brandish a sword-sharpened cutlass and attack Mr. A in retaliation, that cannot be considered to be self-defense, because the force or the weapon Mr. B used in repelling the attack of Mr. A is greater than the weapon Mr. A is using. So the force must be proportionate. Or where Mr. B will come with a cane and Mr. A will carry a pestle or a mortar to attack, the forces are not proportionate. So therefore, the defense of self-defense cannot be there. But where Mr. A attacked Mr. B with his fist, and Mr. B also retaliates with his own fist, and in the event Mr. A dies, it can be said to be a self-defense because the force is proportionate. Mr. B, or rather, the victim must not have a premeditatory, pre-anticipatory mind of attack. That is to say, he must not have in his mind prepared that he's going to attack Mr. B or Mr. B is going to attack him. No. It must be a spur of the moment. It must be an act that is just happening. That is when now it can be said to be self-defense. Now, every human being has the fundamental right to life. So it is not expected that one will stand and watch his life being taken without protecting that life. So it is a fundamental right granted to everybody. So self-defense, it is one protecting his life. So it will not be expected that you will stay and allow someone to come and take your life without you protecting your life. You have that right to protect your life. So whenever there is an attack and you at that moment decide to protect yourself, you are covered by law. The law is very clear about that. There is nobody that will penalize you for defending yourself. You are not expected to allow your life to be taken like that casually. Man is by nature protective. So man is expected to protect himself. Man has the innate ability to protect himself instinctively and with anything around him. So whenever there is a sense of danger, man instinctively will look for a way out to either counter the danger or to protect himself or to run away from the danger. And when there is no way out, it is expected that man will confront the danger and counter that danger. And that is what is called self-defense. So, you don't have to wait to be injured before now you react that you are self-defending yourself. No. You can protect yourself from imminent danger. You can protect yourself from imminent attack. You can protect yourself from imminent injury by self-defending yourself. The only thing is the force you must use must be proportionate with the force attacking you. If not so, the defense of self-defense will not avail you. So you must be conscious on the force you're going to use. The question may be, how will I know the force that I will use that will be proportionate to the attack? Yes, at the spot of the moment that things are happening, you may not have the time to think, okay, is this a cutlass or is this an iron or is this a wood or what is it attacking you with? What the court will also look at is your intention. Because no matter what, if you are under attack, you will surely look for something to defend yourself. The court will look at your intention at that moment. Whatever you use at that moment, what is your intention? Is it at the spot of the moment or is it an afterthought? If it's at the spot of the moment, the court will overlook maybe the proportional force that you're using could be greater, but it is the only thing available for you to use at that moment. So you can use it, but you must be mindful on how you're using it. Yes, it is an instinctive thing, but it is something that is doable. So self-defense is a defense in law. It is a defense that can save you from the punishment of manslaughter or murder or whatever crime that will come along with you doing protecting yourself. So you don't have to be on the run if you must defend yourself. You must stand to defend yourself. You must stand to protect your life. You must stand to guarantee your God-given right of life by protecting yourself or your property. Self-defense, you can also defend your property. If somebody is attacking your property to destroy it, you can defend your property also. It is also under self-defense. So, like we always said, don't get mad. Just get a lawyer to help you when you find yourself in a situation like this, so that he will advise you on what is your right as to self-defense whenever you are attacked. Thank you for watching this video. We will encourage you to subscribe to this video so that you get alerts when we send in new videos, and like this video to show up and to encourage us to do more. Drop your comments or questions in the comment section. Thank you so very much.